Okay guys, the lighting is really bad, but basically I got to the place, unpacked everything, and I had a really bad allergic reaction in the cabin. So I'm actually allergic to the cabin, just my leg. So we had to switch cabins, and we're kind of in the process of switching from the cabin that we originally had to a trailer, actually. So very unfortunate, inconvenient. Didn't get to start a fire tonight or anything because of this huge like situation. But yeah, so we're gonna do the switch over now. It's like almost 11 p.m. I think it's like 10:30. I'm really tired. It's really crazy. I picked up some Benadryl that I'm gonna take for the night, and I guess I'll just update you guys in the morning after, or maybe I'll show you a little bit of the trailer when we do the switch, because it's really nice. We have our own like patio. We still have our own like camping pit, like our own like fire pit and everything like that. So I'll show you guys the inside tonight, and then maybe give you like an outside tour tomorrow. It's really cute, really nice, and I'm excited about it. But yeah, as usual, people are coming in the gate. I'm at the gate right now, and people are coming in the gate and looking at me wacky because I am recording myself. People always do this. It's really weird. But anyway, there's also a mini putt here. There's a pool here. There's a lot of stuff here. The moon is here. It's really beautiful. And I'm excited that we have our own patio now. So, and like the first cabin we went to, it was super dark out front of it. This cabin, not as dark. There's actually like lighting outside. Well, it's actually not a cabin. Now it's a trailer. And there's actually like little lights outside. So I'm really excited about it. But just wanted to, there's my moody doggy. Can't really see him, it's dark, but just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on why I'm not gonna have any footage from the first night at a campfire. And that is why. So good thing I grabbed some fries on the way in. I mean, today I've had scrambled eggs and a bagel for breakfast. I had half of an iced caramel macchiato and fries and this little fruit bar. So we're doing good. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a bit, hopefully. Not bad. I'm in the cabin, well, the RV trailer rental or whatever. Got my PJs on, have some popcorn, and just about to chill out right now, basically. I'll see you guys in the morning. As I said, or as I showed you, I made my coffee and my breakfast. I'm trying to figure out how to make my bacon on the stove right now, but this is my little room. So there's 3 windows. Here I just have my little nightstand, the bed, my doggy, and this closet with this full-size mirror. And in here, I unpacked and put all of my clothes. Love it. Let me show you guys the bathroom. Well, first, this is the kitchen. Okay, and do you have any now? And then this is the bathroom, bathtub and shower, little vanity. And then I took this drawer for my stuff. It's really cute in here, and I'm obsessed. There's 2 more bedrooms and a dining table, a couch. I showed you guys a rough little view yesterday, but I'm obsessed, and I honestly don't want to leave. But anyways, that's a little bit more on the tour. I have no idea what we're gonna get up to today, but we'll see. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more. We're gonna go into the other 2 bedrooms. Well, actually, this is the outdoor space. It's a table. Our fire pit is down there, and we have something down there. Full-size TV, radio, couch, table, dog. This is bedroom 1, full size with the closet, and bedroom 2, full size with the closet. So I really like it in here. I still have to get dressed, but yeah. So now I have to decide what I'm gonna wear. I was thinking this with these. These would be white fox sweatshorts, and then my garage white tee. Or we could do the garage brown tee. One of those 2. And then some sneakers. Okay, I'm going with this. So just a brown shirt with the shorts. And then I'm gonna do my sneakers. And yeah. Dinner is cooking, burgers are cooking, hot dogs. Really, I'm tempted to do my marshmallows, but I'm gonna wait to do them in the dark. A little bit later, but I'm just getting some more foil to finish cooking the burgers, and I'm so excited. I showed you guys my breakfast already. Yeah, hi. So let's pick out an outfit together. So today I'm thinking jean shorts. Wait, those are not over there. This is the outfit. So I was thinking this top that has ties on it, and these jean shorts, and then my socks and sneakers. So it has been raining for the last couple of hours, so we've been inside. I just made hot dogs on the stove and ate that. But I'm gonna change into warmer clothes because now it's cold outside, and hopefully it stops raining so that we can go to our campfire and have s'mores again. So that's that. Let's choose some warmer clothes. Hey guys, so we're leaving today. It's been a really fun trip. I'm just getting ready. I'm about to change my clothes, finish packing up, loading the car, and then leaving. And then today I'm just gonna go to the grocery store, get some groceries on the way home, and I think that's it. So that's live for today. I'll probably end this vlog off later tonight when I get home. But yeah, the trip was fun. So okay, we are checking out, handing in the key, and heading out now. I made a coffee and decided to bring it in my little Starbucks. Not little, this is a huge ass Starbucks cup. Got some fresh water and I'm on my way out. It is so hot today. It's like over 35, like, and then with the feels like it's just super hot today. But anyway, not complaining. Got my little doggy, and yeah, catch up with you guys later. Hey guys, I forgot to come in for a little update. So I got home, unpacked my stuff, unpacked the groceries, all of that good stuff, and I did a Pilates workout. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go have a shower, and I just set up my living room to watch TV. I'm honestly not that hungry, so I'm gonna make some popcorn. We're also gonna boil up some corn so that it doesn't go bad, corn that we bought today. And then yeah, so I'm gonna start a new vlog. I'm actually gonna show you guys the living room. So this is just the cute little setup I have going on. I put on all of the salt lamps, and then our TV, and then I also have these like little string lights above the curtains, and it's so cute. But I'm just gonna end off the video here. I hope that you guys all enjoyed this vlog. It was so fun for me to film, and it was a really fun weekend. Next weekend I'm going to Niagara Falls, so I'll be filming that as well, and I'm gonna film a weekly reset and start that in the morning. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe for more, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.